Yesterday, both the heads of the Federal Reserve and the Bank of Japan held important meetings, and they both looked like deer in the headlights. Janet Yellen tried her best to act like somehow, maybe, the economy was going to recover, which has been going on since Ben Bernanke's Goldilocks recovery story, a name we particularly like because the recovery story is and was a fairy tale. At the same time, Yellen also mumbled something about how it just hadn't quite recovered yet, enough to raise interest rates by a whopping 0.25%. In other words, this system is so fragile that even an increase in interest rates of 0.25% could bring it all down like a game of Jenga played in a windstorm. Meanwhile, on the other side of the pond, the Bank of Japan was expected to ease monetary policy, but also couldn't quite find the guts to pull the trigger for the same reason. Japan is so untenable that almost anything can make it implode now. Japan now pays nearly half of all tax extortion revenue to pay interest on the debt alone. And that is with Japan currently at a negative 0.1% interest rate. We actually can't even figure out how that's even possible. In Asia, the market's response was swift. The US dollar fell 2% overnight versus the yen, and the Nikkei was down over 3%. In the US, where people are a bit slower, we suppose, the markets muddled around even until midday when finally a few people realized, hey, this whole thing is insane, and then all the major US indices quickly fell more than 1%. Meanwhile, gold and silver surged yet again. Gold headed towards its highest close in over a year on Thursday. The precious metal gained as much as 1.25%, or $16.75 an ounce, the highest since last March. Silver soared to its best levels in about a year, up 1.48% to $17.61 an ounce. This is all quite predictable when you understand the bigger picture of everything going on. We appear to be the only ones who have deciphered not only what is going to happen, but why, and even when. And it's beginning to feel like taking candy from a baby. The Dollar Vigilante senior analyst just closed out another massive trade for premium subscribers. This time, a 603% gain in only 3 weeks. It's been a bounty of riches for TDV premium subscribers for nearly the last year. It seems a few weeks doesn't go by without another big gain. And unlike most newsletters, we have a very active subscribers-only private Facebook group where we interact with our thousands of subscribers. Here were some of the reactions from Ed's post on Thursday. Even if you're new to investing or trading, we have all the resources you need to get started. As a subscriber, you'll get access to 2 of Ed's ebooks, How to Invest in Junior Mining Companies and Beginner's Guide to Defensive Investing. And as I mentioned, you'll also have a private forum where you can ask questions and communicate with Dollar Vigilante subscribers around the world. And later today, Ed is releasing his next junior mining pick, currently priced at 5 cents. I'm privy to the information, and it is truly an unbelievable find. He's actually been working on it for more than a year, and thinks now is the time to buy. According to him, gains of 1,000% are expected within a year, and as high as 5,000% over the next 2 years, as this unknown mining asset becomes proven, and as the market becomes aware of its existence. So you can keep watching here and thinking, damn it, I missed another huge trade. Or just click here and join us today.